Hey, what's up, Pundi X Holder? This video is going absolutely very important for Pundi X Holder because you can see here the live result of Pundi X coin absolutely goes down absolutely very badly. But I explained it why, and I hope they can start growing like a rocket absolutely in a few days. So everything I explained in this video to why they goes down, what you do, everything in this video. But before I can start this brand video, I request you to please click on the subscribe button. Subscribe is very important. You know why? If you can subscribe ABS Tech channel, then I inform you every good information of all cryptocurrencies, every bad information, every good news, everything about all cryptocurrencies. So don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video if you enjoy this video. So let's get start the brand video. Okay guys, so first of all I gotta show you the last price, the highest latest price. You can see here absolutely I love Pundi X prices. You can see here the chain is 0.0070006 US dollar as the latest price. So this is absolutely very highest price. You can see here the chain is going down. You know why? This is one big reason the chain is going down, and the chain goes down 4.35% goes down. So this is absolutely very back chain. This is absolutely very back chain, and this the one reason as that this is the start of month. This is the start of month, so absolutely this is good time for holder to buy it. Absolutely this is buying time, so don't miss a chance. Buy it. I hope at the end of month they give you a good profit. They can make you a millionaire, so don't miss this chance. Please buy it. Okay, let's see the market cap. Guys, if we check out this time, the market cap is absolutely goes down. Absolutely goes down. Full diluted market cap is absolutely down. Volume is absolutely goes down. Everything is goes down, and this is the one reason, and I already explained it in this video. This is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency is goes down. Not just Pundi X unique, but every cryptocurrency is goes down. Cardano is one of my favorite coin, but at this time EOS also goes down. So this is not a problem. Okay, Pundi X holder, this is not a problem. Just enjoy and buy. Okay, I hope at the end they can give you a good profit and they cross easily 1 to 10 US dollars. So if they can cross 1 to 10 US dollars, then they can make you a millionaire. So absolutely good chance to you just just buy a good coins, tokens. Okay, at the I buy at 1,000 tokens of Pundi X. I plan this. Okay, I plan it. So what your plan? Please share in the comment box. What's your plan? Well, you are trying to buy it. What you are gone. So thanks for watching. Please share your opinion in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe ABS Tech channel. See you next time.